Hi, this is Jen. I got a new journal that I just finished. It's called Something Pretty because it's got a lot of little cute pictures of little girls in it. The front cover, I have just a piece of lace and a button with a loop attached, and you just take the loop off the button, kind of like a regular button, and then you can open the book. I also have a couple of little trinkets down here attached to the lace. There's a little picture of a rose in here, and I put glossy accents on it. And here's a key. Over here, I've got a puffy silver heart with some pearls on it. And I just have lots of different laces and trims, bits of everything. Again, because you can't write in this journal, I've tucked in little um, journal books that I have made specifically to fit inside little hidden pockets inside this journal so that you can actually keep notes or, make notes or write whatever you want to write, and then it slips back inside the pockets which are hidden behind the pictures. So you open it up, and this is the first page, and of course it had a pocket on the front, so this page doesn't have another pocket, and just have lace and book pages, trim, some tiny little buttons that I found at an antique shop, and this page has a picture of a little girl, and I actually got that picture. It's a tag. I got it from Sue Olson's shop. Um, and just some laces and gathered material that I bunched together while I sewed it on the machine. And inside here, instead of a booklet, I have a little tag that I made, and it slips behind the picture. And the next page, um, another picture of a pretty little girl. This one does not have a pocket on it. Some of them do, some of them don't. You have to kind of look for them. Here's some muslin with a little paper heart. And here's another picture of a little girl carrying a bunch of flowers. There's some vintage lace, book pages. I got a book at the thrift store that had a bunch of Lord Byron poems, and it was so old that the pages were already yellowed, so it was actually perfect. Inside here, I have another little tiny pocket journal that I made to fit in the space inside. This has everything is coffee dyed, little pages inside for you to actually make notes on. And then the next page has this pretty little girl. I put some pink ribbon behind it and used some pink lace. There's a little music note here that's got glossy accents on it and one of those Tim Holtz bulb pens. And this little girl has a little spray of flowers, or I don't know what you call those, little buds or something. And I've got some seam binding that I sewed around the edge and bunched together. I got that from an idea from Sagita when she did her envelope tutorial. And there's a doily, and then inside the side pocket, I have another little tiny journal with a picture of a little girl on the front and just various pages, for you to write on. And the back page looks like this. It's just a lace that I put over there and made a pocket for this little tag here that I made. And just I took some muslin at the bottom and actually stamped on it and added an old key to the tag. And that's the whole journal. It's got 4 pages. It's got about 5 pockets hidden in it. And that's pretty much all I can tell you about it. It's probably about 5 inches by 4 inches. Thank you so much for looking. Have a great day. Bye-bye.